You sent chills down my spine, said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never...
Hello my darlings, and welcome to my wedding guest Get Ready With Me. As you can see, this look was technically for our day out at Royal Ascot, but as the races are now over, I thought I'd show you how I got this look, as it would be absolutely perfect for a wedding guest outfit. Okay, so starting off barefaced in the bathroom, I've already applied serum and moisturiser, so I start with the Emma Hardy Protect and Prime. It's a lightweight cream, not greasy in the slightest, and has SPF 30 to protect against UVA and UVB. It smooths the skin so my pores and fine lines are softened. A quick application of my favourite Lizelle lip balm to prepare them for lipstick that I'll apply later. And then I use the new Amora Complexion Perfector. It's a BB cream, so it gives a lovely natural coverage, and this also has SPF 20 and protects against the effects of pollution. So with my primer, this is a really great combination to keep the skin protected and also nourished. I love the glow this gives my skin, but it also contains the brand's Healing Concentrate, which infuses the skin with minerals, and it's anti-aging and contains vitamin C to brighten and correct the skin. There are so many benefits to this simple BB cream. As it's fairly sheer, I use my BarePro concealer from BareMinerals to conceal my blemishes, of which I have a few at the moment. It's super long lasting and contains antioxidant ingredients like sea lavender and raspberry seed oil, which nourish and hydrate the skin. So I also use it under the eyes to brighten my dark circles. I finished my complexion with the BarePro Powder Foundation to add a little bit more coverage where I need it and to control any shine. I usually apply a light layer all over and then focus a little more on my T-zone. I bronze all over with the bronzing powder from La Mer. It gives a beautiful soft glow and is also infused with the La Mer Miracle Broth, so your skin gets the brand's signature hit of nutrients. For a deeper bronze on my cheekbones, I use the BareMinerals Invisible Bronze, and I'm applying it with the Charlotte Tilbury contour brush, just to bring a little more definition to my face shape. Next, I apply a little of the By Terry Compact Expert Blush, which I swirl my brush over to pick up a mix of the matte and highlighting pigments. I absolutely love this shade. Then it's on to my usual brow routine. My Brow Wiz to fill in any gaps and build up the shape, and then my Hourglass Brow Gel, which I use to build up my brows to get more volume. For the eyelids, I reach for my new Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize palette. This one is always in my makeup bag as it has all the shades I need for a day or evening look, and it's just so tiny and handy. I apply a mid-brown shade all over the lid, and then a deeper shade to add definition on the lid crease, and then the lightest shade just under the brow bone and in the corners. Then it's time for mascara. I skip the eyeliner and go in with my BareMinerals Lash Domination Mascara. It separates and lifts my lashes, which need all the help they can get right now after having lash extensions on for the last 2 months, and it also contains a nourishing mineral complex, so it's actually good for my lashes too. I'm hoping it's going to help to strengthen them. Alrighty, so next I blot away my lip balm and line the lips with Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, and I also use the Pillow Talk lipstick for a beautiful, soft pink, very feminine lip shade. I decide I want a little more colour in my cheeks, so I use the La Mer Cheek Glow. It gives a lovely flush of natural colour, and you can also use it on the lips as well. Last but not least, my BareMinerals palette, which contains a lovely soft highlight. This one I believe was a limited edition for Christmas, but I also love the new version, which is the Crystalline Glow palette, which you've probably seen me use over on Instagram stories. I'll leave that one linked down below. Makeup done, so now it's time to get dressed and do my hair. So I'm starting off just by brushing it through. You can see my hair's a little bit silvery at the moment because of my Redken shampoo, which again I'll leave down below. You can just see my mum plodding about in the background. I don't think she realised she was getting in the way of the camera here. Oh my gosh, we had such a chuckle. This is not my most attractive laughing face, but there we go. As you can see, I'm not using my usual GHDs because I am at my mum's house. This is a pair of straighteners from Bosch. They're okay, but they're not as good as the GHDs or the Steam Pod. I find that the curls don't last quite so long, but I'm just using my usual technique of grabbing just over an inch of hair and then twisting the straightener around, dragging it down to the bottom, and then once the straightener leaves my hair, I just kind of put the hair in a curl shape as it cools, and I find that this helps them to last a little bit longer. So let's speed through the rest of the hair routine. So now I'm just practicing a few different ways of styling my hair with a hat. I actually have to get in a car after doing my hair and makeup, so I'm not going to do it as the final finish, but here you can see the hat and how it looks with the curled hair. And to finish my beauty routine, I'm applying the Replica Flower Market fragrance, which is so lovely, delicate and feminine. So here is my finished look. I will leave all of the outfit details down below. As I said, this was a look for Royal Ascot, but I think it'd be absolutely perfect for a summer wedding as well. You wouldn't even need to wear a hat this large if you didn't want to. It would look beautiful with a fascinator. So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying.